This is problem number 3, 6.3 exercise. Here given AB parallel to this AB parallel to DE, and angle BAC is given. This angle is BAC 35 degrees, and CDE also given 53. This CDE 53 degrees. Okay, in the first step we have to take AB parallel to DE. So if AB is parallel to DE, now this AC is the AE is the transversal. This is AE is the transversal, like this. Okay, if this is the E point, now this and this, they are the alternate angles. Okay, now this is A and this is B. This is D and E. So angle BAC, angle BAE, this is angle. Now if this, what is given here, AB parallel to CD. Okay, now this is E, this is D, this is A and this is B. Now this BAE, this angle, and AED, this AED, they are given. BAC and AE, they are the alternate angle. Now this is given 35. Okay, now here one more line is drawn like this. This is C. Now a BAE, this BAE, one more line is there. यहाँ C point is given. ओके, BAE को हम लोग बोल सकते हैं BAC ऑल्सो. क्यों बोल सकते हैं? बिकॉज ACE सेम लाइन पे है यहाँ ऐसे, इसीलिए ए BAE एंगल को वी कैन कॉल इट एज BAC. सेम एंगल, एंगल तो कहाँ है? ए के ऊपर है. एंगल जहाँ है वो इम्पॉर्टेंट है. ये एंगल, ये ब्लैक से मैं ड्रॉ करूँगी. ये एक्चुअली एंगल है. ये एंगल को दोनों ही में BAE भी बोल सकते हैं, BAC भी बोल सकते हैं. सो इसीलिए एंगल BAE इस फर्स्ट के एग्जांपल से AED, दिस AED is equal to BAE because alternate angles. Now angle BAE CDE, angle AED can also be called as BAE. Okay, now angle CED is also known as this. CED is also known as AED. ये CED को हम लोग बोल सकते हैं, ACED को, this is C, this is transversal. Okay, this is D and this is E and this is C. This CED, now यहाँ A है. CED को बोल सकते हैं हम लोग, we can CED को because point lies on the AE, so we can call CED, this CED also. Okay, BAC. So CED is equal to 35 degrees because they are making alternate angles. Okay, same angle. This we got alternate angle. No, instead of calling AED we call it as CED. Okay, CED we got 35 degrees. Now in triangle, now ये छोटा triangle form हुआ inside the parallel lines. This parallel lines के अंदर एक A ट्रांसवर्सल हो गया, तो ए पैरेलल लाइंस के अंदर ए ट्रांसवर्सल है, उसमें एक ट्रायंगल फॉर्म हुआ है. ओके, नाउ ए ट्रायंगल का नाम है CDE. So sum of the angles in the triangle is 180 degrees. CED plus CED 180. CCDE plus CED plus DCE 180 degrees. So if you substitute 53, 35 and DCE 180 degrees. Okay, A. CDE, okay, CED plus DCE 180 degrees. So we have got here DCE as 92 degrees.